admin, Miss Vera. Vera and Audrey, and all our workshop guys. That's Chris, Larry, Bill, Cornelius, and Andy. And of course Fabian. Hey, Dan, mari sini Dan.
Yeah, also Dan.
Dan have been he started as a placement engineer in WB 2018, 2017. Finished his 6 months of stint here. Now working for Green Empowerment, and Green Empowerment sent him again to help us with both the UK PEC project, which is he's doing a lot of this of the scene thing, which is doing with database management. But now working with Bill and my analytical team to design a smart grid controller. Okay. So you'll see tomorrow one of the application of this technology that is currently being developed, because one of the problem of having we need the controller is the load management. So we want to do something on how to make it more efficient. Yeah. So there's this machine, because it's a bit raining. We use this to process the plastic waste, and if you I don't have enough time to do the demo, tapi Zanzila, mari. So we are working with the team, Zanzila and Tracy, who's doing the upcycling projects.
The That's what I need. We need to.
And then necklace like this. And earrings like this. Yeah. So small things and wearable.